Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gourmet Gharana. Today we bring to you a recipe that is popular or is more of a comfort food in many of the Hyderabadi households. The best sathi for Khatti Dal, presenting Dabi Hui Arvi or Kurkuri Arvi. This is a jhatpat recipe that is super delicious without much efforts. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. We will start by pressure cooking the arvi. So here I have added about 300 grams of arvi to the pressure cooker along with water. We will pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. Once the pressure cooker cools down, open the lid and start peeling the skin from the arvi and keep it aside. If your arvi is too big, just like mine, you can slice it into pieces as shown, but if the arvi is small, you can use the whole thing without slicing it. Now lightly grease your hands and then place the arvi between your palms and press it, ensuring it becomes flat but does not break. Repeat this on all the boiled arvi and keep it aside. Then heat oil in a kadai on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add 2 to 3 pieces of arvi to the oil. Do not disturb the arvi for a couple of minutes initially as they can easily break. Once they look a little fried, you can flip it and let the other side fry as well till both sides are crispy and golden brown. Once done, transfer to a plate and repeat the same for the remaining arvi as well. Then top the fried arvi with salt and chili powder and serve with rice and dal. Trust me, it is a must-try combination. Do give this recipe a try and like, share and subscribe to our channel and keep following us on Instagram for many such yummy recipes. Thanks for watching.